Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for joining me today to talk about journaling prompts. I can only imagine that one of three things has happened since the start of the new year. You might have this pretty new journal and you've started to use it, and either you are thoroughly enjoying the activity and you need more prompts, bring on all the prompts, or you're frustrated because you're writing in circles and you keep falling back to venting about the same things and you need some new things to talk about, new things to address. And third option is that your journal is too pretty and you're afraid to write gibberish in it. So you want some more formal prompts to make this book more of a keepsake. Any of those situations, I have the answer for you today, because we're going to go to my website where I have placed over 50 journaling prompts for free. You don't have to type in your email address or anything like that. They're just right there on the website. You can print them, you can bookmark it and refer back to them, whatever you'd like. But I'm going to open that up. I'm going to walk you through the prompts and the categories that are there, and also talk about how I have gotten them. All right, so let's go to my tablet and let's go to my website. Okay, so you're just going to go to keylineink.com to writing prompts in the navigation menu, or the pretty flower right here for writing prompts. We're going to just click that, and you will see that we have a list of 50 plus prompts for journaling. And let me also suggest basically all the ways that you can use these. So first of all, of course, bullet journaling, super popular right now. Cathartic writing, like I said earlier, if you feel like you're kind of writing in circles and you're just venting about the same things, you can give some kind of structure and purpose to your cathartic writing with some of these questions. Classroom writing assignments, they can be really good just warm-ups in the beginning of class to get that creativity flowing, get words on paper. Diary keeping, like we talked about, if you would like to kind of make your journal more of a keepsake, some of these questions lend themselves to that. Icebreakers for team meetings. It's a great way, just like at the beginning of a class, it's a great way to get a group meeting kind of on the right track, get people thinking about something other than what they thought about before they came into that room, so we can all be on one page. Letters to friends and family. A lot of these questions are going to ask you to write down, positive things about people, or, good roles that people played in your life. So why not share those with them? Your journal can be kind of the rough draft, and then you can write those letters to your friends and family members. And I also like to use them as I get ready to do a fiction writing session. It's a nice warm-up for that. So we scroll down here and we have different sections. I will go through them for you, but I also wanted to show you that I always tell where each prompt came from. So a lot of these I've just written myself. I've just kind of come up with over the years. So I've got Anne, Key Lime Ink on all of those. And then if you scroll down to one that is from a book or a different resource, it will have a link, question a day journal, 365 days to reflect and express yourself. It'll give the title, it'll give the author, and if it's still in print, it'll give a link to Amazon where you can purchase that book either in Kindle form sometimes or paperback. There might even be some used copies and you can get some really good deals on these. But definitely go check out these books, ask for them at the library, give some love to the authors. I tried to just pick one or two from each book, and most of these books have hundreds of great ideas. So talking again about the categories. So I started with documenting your life. These are kind of looking back at important moments, looking around you at things that kind of define who you are. And then we go to expressing gratitude. Obviously, gratitude journals are so popular right now. But sometimes it's good to have some guidance in what to put in them. You end up writing, I am thankful for the sunny day today. I am thankful for the good weather. I am thankful for the warm temperatures. Well, some of these questions will help you find kind of things that maybe you hadn't thought about to be thankful for. And then we have facing your fears. Anxiety is such a hot button topic right now. I think so many people are experiencing it in various ways, and this helps us address that anxiety. Hopes, dreams, and imagination, so we can look to the future together. Mindfulness. I just love this book cover. The Mindfulness Journal by S.J. Scott and Barry Davenport. That's a hot link. If you click it, it'll take you to that book. I'm a sucker for anything with watercolors and hand lettering, so I thought that was a pretty one. But mindfulness, what do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you taste? What do you feel in your immediate surroundings? And kind of grounding yourself. A lot of these questions will lend themselves to that. Then we get to relationships, and I don't want you to think that these are all about just couples. They certainly aren't. A lot of these are about relationships with mentors, teachers, family members, friends, neighbors, etc. And then we get down here to writing warm-ups for fiction, and I just sprinkled a few of these in that I found kind of intriguing and adorable and things that I would like to write about if I were going to start a little flash fiction story or a short story. Okay, so I hope you find that useful. Again, 50 plus writing prompts for journaling, and you can feel free to bookmark this, come back to it whenever you'd like. You can print it. You can copy some of these and write them down in your own journal so that they're ready when you're ready to write. Do what you will with them. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you find them helpful. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. And just, remember, like, follow, all that good stuff. Because my goal here is to have fun with paper. Make your paper pretty. We do it with journaling, we do it with planning, we do it with watercolors and hand lettering. And if you're having fun with that, please come back and see me again. Thanks. Bye-bye.